So last time we just predict that cone will reach the bottom faster because its shape. We just did an experiment. We take three different shapes and we want to throw them through the water and we will see which one will reach before. You predict as a student, you predict cone. Why? Some of you said because her shape or its shape is streamlined, which is true in my opinion. So let's see the experiment. Sorry. Cassini was using previous knowledge that she learned in science class about streamlined shape have less water resistance. Because of that, she predict that the cone will reach the bottom at the first. So I need you to open your book, page 20. Okay, page 20, and read the prediction. Making a prediction, there is a book, a picture of a book at the top of the book. This is the prediction of Cassini. So she said that I predict that the cone shape will reach the bottom in the shortest time. This is because there will be less water resistance because cone is a streamlined shape. This is the prediction. Now we want to see the explanation or the explanation of the experiment. Before starting an investigation, a scientist needs to make a plan of how to carry out the investigation and what materials or equipment are needed. So we should make a plan before we write the results of the experiment. I tell you that let's repeat the scientific method that first of all you want to observe, then ask a question, then make an experiment, of course, and predict, and then write the results. If the results confirmed the hypothesis that you make it, sorry, before the experiment you should draw out a hypothesis. I forget to tell you, so be careful. So it's observation, then ask a question, then write a hypothesis, then make an experiment. If the experiment confirms the hypothesis, then you will write a report. Okay, so this is how the scientist, but from these 5 steps you should write the plan concerning these 5 steps. So before starting an investigation, a scientist need to make a plan of how to carry out the investigation and what materials or equipment are needed. So read Cassini's plan on page 21 of your textbooks. Let's read the Cassini. Um, this is Cassini's plan. I'm going to investigate how long it takes different shape of clay to reach the bottom of the cylinder of water. This is about the experiment. I will make different shapes from the same amount of clay. So same amount, which means same mass. These are the shapes I have chosen: cone, cube, sphere, cylinder, and cuboid. So it has 4 shapes with a graduated cylinder with the same amount of water. So the volume of the cylinder is constant. The mass of the objects are constant. And what we are going to change, we are going to change the variable is the shape. So we are choosing the variable as the shape and the rest are constant. I will time how long it takes for the shape to hit the bottom with a stopwatch. So she's going to take the time needed to reach the bottom. This is a list of my equipment: a large measuring cylinder, modeling clay, a stopwatch, a balance measuring jug. I will write my result in the shape. So this is the plan. She wrote a plan and now she will do the experiment. She will take the measurements and she will write the results. So Cassini carried out the experiment and wrote down her result in a table. Her table had something missing. Can you say what it was? So look at the table, page 21. The table contains the shape and the time. Okay, but what is the missing? Think about it. I will answer it directly now. Now, of course, when I'm explaining the PowerPoint, you need your book because I'm reading a lot from the book. So be careful. You must take out your book and open page 2021 and re-watch the video. So the missing is that the time, there is no unit of the time. You should put the unit of the time is in seconds. So Cassini shared her result with a classmate and reported that she found it difficult to start and stop the stopwatch because the clay shape fell too fast. Nadia suggested some improvement to get more accurate results. Nadia suggested that Cassini use a longer measuring cylinder to give the clay shapes more time to fall. And Nadia also suggested that while Cassini dropped the clay shape, she would help by starting and stopping the stopwatch. So the first one is very clear that Nadia suggests that Cassini, she want to try to use a longer graduated cylinder, so it will not take less time. It will take a lot of time, so she can measure carefully. Or Nadia, she will use the stopwatch and help her friend Cassini by measuring the time, starting and stopping. Okay, to round up her investigation, Cassini decided to display her result as a bar chart. Let's help Cassini complete her bar chart. I need you to just stop this video, or I will post the picture, okay? I want you to draw out a bar graph, and you know how to draw a bar graph, okay? I just put everything. I put the scale here and I put the names of each one, and you have the time. Okay, just draw the bar graph directly. Okay, everything is ready. Just draw the bar graph, or you can print out this page. Okay, when I post it, this page you can print out and just draw the bar graph. Okay, so I need the bar graph. This is one of the classworks. Work, work out as a group to answer the summary question, page 21. So this is also a classwork, okay? So this is two classworks. I need it. Please don't forget it. And I will record another video. Thank you so much.